once again, and welcome to our series of lessons in rather on the number basis. Today we are looking at the last lesson on number basis, which is division in base 5. And the question says, carry out the following divisions in base 5. So to begin with, we have this number divided by 12, so we can write it like this. 214. Now, for us to do our division properly without problems, what we can do is we need to look at the divisor and ensure that because we are in base 5, we can only multiply by 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can find these numbers if multiplied by 12. What is it that we are getting? So what I mean is we can say 1, 2, or 12 by 0 we still get 0. So let's start with 1. Let's say 12 times 1. 12 times 1. If we do this multiplication in base 5, we are still going to get 1, 2, which will be in base 5. Then if we multiply it by 2, 2 times 2, that is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So that means 12 times 2 will still be 24 in base 5. Then 12 times 3, 3 times 2, that is 6. Now there's a problem there. So the 6, if we divide it by 5, it goes in once, remainder 1. So we write the remainder. Then that number of times it goes in, we carry it to the next. So that would mean 3 times 1, which is 3 plus that 1 we carry. It will give us 4, that is in base 5. And then if we come to, if we multiply by 4, 2 times 4 is 8, the remainder is 3, so we have 3 there, but it goes in once. Then 4 times the 1, that is 4 plus that 1, it gives us 5. Then 5 in base 5 is simply 1, 0. So that means this is the number. So basically, if we do all our multiplication, all our division, these are the possible answers that we'll be getting just looking at the numbers that we have. So if we say 1, 2 into 1, 0, it can't. So we go to the next number, which is 1, 0, 2. Now in 1, 0, 2, what we have is this one is greater than 5, and since this one is greater than 5, or rather the 102, it is more than the 12. So the number of times it goes in, we can check it from there. So it's just checking which number is closer to it, and we have that is 41, I think, where it can go in. So 41, which is 3 times, and we write a 3 here. Then if we multiply 3 by 1, 2, it means it is just this one. It's 4, 1. So write 4, 1 here. We subtract, that gives us 1. Then here we get 1. That one we are getting is a 5. So if we put it there, it will be 5. 5 minus 4, it is 1. And then we can bring down a 1 there. Then 1, 2 into 1, 1, 1, we can check. The biggest number we have is 103, and so it means it goes in 4 times. So 12 into 111 goes in 4 times, and there's a remainder. So we can put the 4 here. Then if we multiply this 4 by the 12, we'll get 103. So we can write the 103, just what is there. We do our subtraction, we'll get a 1 or 15 from here. That 1, that 5 plus this one will make it 6. 6 minus 3, that is 3. So we can put the 3 there, and then we bring down the 4 like that. Then 1, 2 into 3, 4. We check for this number here. It's not there, but we have a number that is closer to it, smaller than this one, which is 22.4, meaning it goes in twice and then there's a remainder. So we can write the 2 here. Then 2 times this one, that will give us the that will give us, is it 24? Yep. We are getting 24 like that, and then we divide. So when we divide, rather when we subtract, this is 0, this is 1. So that is the number that we are getting. Now from here you can simply say the answer is 342 plus 5, remainder 10 or 10 plus 5. So this is our answer. Then for part B, we have okay, 2, 3. We are dividing it into 1, 4, 4, 3. 1, 4, 4, 3. So again, the best that we can do for ourselves to make life easy is where we say the 23 times 1 will give us 2, 3 and this 5. Then 2, 3 times 2, it gives us, that is 6. So write 1, carry 1, 4, that is 5, 1, 0, 5, and then 2, 3 times 3, that is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. And carry a 1, this is 6. 6 plus that 1, 7. Then 5 into 7, it goes in once, remainder 2. Write the 2, and then that number of times you write here, like that. Then 2, 3 times 4, that is 12. 5 into 12, it goes in twice, but the remainder is 2. We carry a 2. Then 4 times 2, that is 8, plus that 2, it gives us 10. Then 10, if converted to base 5, it will give us 2, 0, like that. So again, these numbers, using them will make life easy for us. So all we'll do is we'll say 2, 3 into 1, 4, 4. We check for a number which is closer to this, but of course smaller than this if not exact. And we are finding 1, 2, 4. So the number of times it goes in is 3. We can write 3 there. If we multiply, it's 1, 2, 4. We do our subtraction, that is 0, then here 2. Then we bring down the 3, like that. Now, this into that, it goes in 4 times. So we can write the 4 there. When we multiply, that would be 2, 0, 0, 2, just this one. We subtract, that gives us 1. Now there is nothing to drop there. So since there is nothing to drop, it means that is our answer. It's 3, 4 is 5, remainder 1 is 5. So these are our answers. Maybe you can also look at just a few questions. You can look at the 2, at least be able to practice. Look at some more questions from different sources. So for today, this is where we end our lesson. And this is the end of the topic, number bases. Thank you for watching.